Hi, kids. Okay, today's devotion is called Can't Be Counted. And the Bible verse that the devotion comes from is Psalm 137. Psalm 139, 17 through 18. And here is the Bible verse. How precious are your thoughts about me, O God. They cannot be numbered. I can't even count them. They outnumber the grains of the sand. We like to count things. We count money, we count minutes, we count points, and a million other things. But some things we just cannot count. We cannot count the numbers of the stars in the universe. We don't even know how big the universe is. In our own Milky Way, galaxy scientists believe that there are as many as 400 billion stars, but they aren't sure. Why? Because they can't count them all. Another thing that can't be counted are all the grains of sand on the earth. Researchers estimate that there are 7.5 quintillion grains of sand on the Earth's beaches. Of course, that doesn't include all the other sand on the Earth, like the sand under the ocean. But the most wonderful and amazing thing you cannot count is the number of thoughts God has about you. The God who created all those unaccountable things like the stars and the grains of sand spends a whole lot of time thinking about you. When you lie down to sleep, when you wake up in the morning, and every moment in between. God thinks about you. How indescribably awesome is that? Lord, how wonderful it is to know that you think of me, and not just a little bit, but too many times to be counted. I pray, God, that you will fill my mind with unaccountable thoughts of you. And here is the picture. It's of a little boy being covered up by all those little itty bitty grains of sand. And here's the be amazed. What's the biggest number known to man? Some people think it's the Googleplex, which is a 1 followed by a Google or Google of zeros. A Google is a 1 followed by 100 zeros. But the truth is there is no biggest number. Why? Because you can always add one more. Thanks, kids.